Hi, my name is Damon Duncan and I'm an attorney here at Duncan Law. A common question that we get is, how will bankruptcy impact my credit? Well, without a doubt, let me tell you the bad news on the front end. Filing for bankruptcy will negatively impact your credit, and it's going to impact your credit score. However, I think a better question sometimes to ask is, can I rebuild my credit after filing bankruptcy? The answer to that is the good news, which is yes. Now, there's going to be a ton of different ways, and every attorney and every financial advisor that you might speak with will have a different idea of what the best way to rebuild your credit is. What we've seen in our experience of filing bankruptcies with people is there's a few things that you can do to help rebuild your credit after filing for bankruptcy. The first thing that we tell people to do is, once you file the bankruptcy, it might take a little bit of time, but try to get a secured credit card, meaning there's some kind of collateral put up. Once you have that secured credit card, what we tell people to do is put things like gas on it. So each month you're just going to pay for your gas and gas only with that secured credit card. You pay it off at the end of every month. And if you're only putting gas on it, it should be something that you can't afford and it's a necessity. You have to have gas, so therefore you put it on that secure credit card and you pay it off at the end of every month. Once you've done that, eventually, a year and a half, it really depends, but after that, you'll have the ability to get an unsecured credit card with a decent interest rate. What we tell people to do, and what, hearing some of the different financial advisors in this area, what they recommend as well, is you get an unsecured credit card. Not a lot of them, but get one of them. Get an unsecured credit card. When you get it, cut it up, tear it up, put it in a drawer, put it away. But what you'll need to do is, what we recommend is, things like your utility bills, things that have to get paid, have those be paid on your credit card. Then what happens is those each and every month will be paid on your credit card. Have it automatically paid each cycle with that credit card. Then what you would do is have it where your bank automatically pays that credit card each month. So in other words, the credit card is doing a deduction, an automatic withdrawal from your bank for the amount that's owed on the credit card. So in other words, what you end up having is you're paying for your utilities on this unsecured credit card, which is cut up, so you can't use it for anything else. Then what's going to happen is those utility payments, those credit card bills that you'll get from paying on those utilities, will be paid every month by the bank. So it creates a little cycle there where you'll be paying for your utilities, and what we've seen is that your credit score will exponentially go up if you continue to do that, if you pay your bills on time and live within your budget that the bankruptcy will help you set. So again, great question on how do you rebuild your credit, or how is your credit going to be impacted by bankruptcy. It will be impacted. It will be negatively impacted. Anybody who tells you otherwise, it may not be telling you the complete truth. However, you can rebuild your credit after filing for bankruptcy. Again, my name is Damon Duncan. I'm an attorney here at Duncan Law, and we look forward to working with you.